In this video, I'm going to give you some tips and inspiration for creating new and exciting content that your audience will love. So let's get started. A day in the life video where you take your viewers through your typical day, showing what you do from the time you wake up until you go to bed. This type of video is a great way to give your audience a glimpse into your daily routine and share more about your life. Here are a few tips on how to create a successful day in the life video. Before you start filming, plan out your day in advance. Think about what you want to show your audience and what aspects of your life you want to highlight. Consider the activities you normally do on a given day and how you can make them interesting and engaging for your viewers. When it comes to filming your day in the life video, you can use a variety of cameras. You can use your smartphone, a point-and-shoot camera, or a DSLR. The key is to choose a camera that is easy to carry and can capture high-quality footage. Once you have your plan and camera ready, start filming your day. Remember to keep your camera with you at all times and capture all the interesting moments throughout the day. This can include things like your morning routine, work or school activities, meals, exercise, and any other hobbies or interests you have. A challenge video where you try to do something that is outside of your comfort zone or that you've never done before. This type of video is a great way to entertain your audience while also challenging yourself and trying something new. Here are a few tips on how to create a successful challenge video. The first step is to choose a challenge that you want to attempt. This could be a popular challenge that's already trending on YouTube or something completely unique that you come up with yourself. Make sure the challenge is something that you're interested in and that you think will be entertaining for your viewers. Before you start filming, make sure you're fully prepared for the challenge. This might involve doing some research, gathering the necessary materials, or practicing the challenge ahead of time. You want to make sure you're as prepared as possible to give yourself the best chance of succeeding. Once you're fully prepared, it's time to film your challenge. Make sure you have a camera set up to capture your attempt, and consider having someone else film you so you can focus on the challenge itself. Remember to have fun and show your personality throughout the challenge. A how-to video where you teach your viewers a new skill or share a tutorial on something that you're good at. This type of video is a great way to share your expertise with your audience while also providing valuable information and instruction. Here are a few tips on how to create a successful how-to video. The first step is to choose a topic for your how-to video. Think about your areas of expertise and what topics you're passionate about. Choose a topic that is interesting and relevant to your audience and that you can provide clear and concise instruction on. Before you start filming, plan out your video in advance. Think about the steps involved in your topic and how you can break them down into easy-to-follow instructions. Consider creating a script or an outline to keep your video organized and on track. Once you have your plan in place, it's time to start filming. Make sure you have all the necessary equipment, such as a camera and microphone, and that you're filming in a well-lit and quiet environment. Speak clearly and directly to the camera and demonstrate the steps involved in your topic. A reaction video is where you watch and react to a popular TV show, movie, or viral video. This type of video is a great way to engage with your audience and share your thoughts on trending topics or other content. Here are a few tips on how to create a successful reaction video. The first step is to choose the content that you want to react to. This could be a viral video, a popular song, or any other type of content that you find interesting or relevant to your audience. Make sure the content is something that you can provide meaningful commentary on. Before you start filming, take some time to prepare for your reaction. Watch the content that you're going to react to and take notes on any points that you want to address in your video. Think about your overall opinion of the content and what kind of reaction you want to convey. Once you're fully prepared, it's time to film your reaction. Start by introducing the content that you're reacting to and provide a brief overview of your thoughts and expectations. Then start watching the content and react in real time. Be sure to show your genuine emotions and thoughts throughout the video. A travel video where you show your viewers around a new city, country, or destination that you've visited. Travel videos are a great way to showcase your adventures and experiences, while also inspiring your audience to explore the world. The first step is to choose a destination that you want to feature in your travel video. Think about a place that you've always wanted to visit, or a location that you've recently explored. Choose a destination that offers plenty of opportunities for sightseeing and adventure. Before you start filming, plan out your video in advance. Think about the key highlights of your trip and how you can showcase them in your video. Consider creating an outline or storyboard to help you stay organized and on track. Once you have your plan in place, it's time to start filming your trip. Be sure to capture plenty of footage of the sights, sounds, and experiences of your destination. Use a variety of shots, such as wide shots, close-ups, and time-lapse, to create an interesting and engaging video. A taste test video where you try and review different types of food or drinks. Taste test videos are a fun and engaging way to try out different foods or drinks and share your thoughts and reactions with your audience. The first step is to choose the food or drink that you want to taste test. This could be anything from new snacks or drinks to international foods or local delicacies. Before you start filming, take some time to prepare for your taste test. Set up a table or tray with the food or drink that you'll be trying out, and have some water or other drinks on hand to cleanse your palate between tastings. Consider bringing in some friends or family members to join you and provide additional commentary. Once you're fully prepared, it's time to start filming your taste test. Start by introducing the food or drink that you'll be trying out and provide some background information or context about it. Then start tasting and reacting in real time. Be sure to show your genuine reactions and thoughts throughout the video and encourage your friends or family members to do the same. A DIY video where you show your viewers how to make something from scratch, such as a craft, piece of furniture, or recipe. DIY videos are a great way to showcase your creativity and provide your audience with fun and useful projects to try. The first step is to choose a project that you want to feature in your video. Consider projects that are simple and easy to follow, yet still fun and engaging. Make sure to gather all of the necessary supplies before you begin filming. Before you start filming, plan out your video in advance. Consider the steps you'll need to take to complete the project and the different angles and shots you want to capture on camera. Consider using a storyboard or script to help you stay organized during filming. Once you have your plan in place, it's time to start filming your DIY project. Make sure to capture each step of the process in detail and explain each step clearly and concisely. Consider using close-up shots to show the specific techniques you're using, and use music or voiceover to keep the video engaging. A product review video where you try and review different products such as gadgets, beauty products, or household items. Product reviews are a great way to provide your audience with honest and informative feedback on different products. The first step is to choose a product that you want to review. Consider products that are relevant to your niche and that your audience would be interested in. Make sure to use the product yourself and become familiar with its features and benefits. Use the product yourself to get a good understanding of its strengths and weaknesses. Take notes on your experience using the product and consider the different aspects you want to highlight in your review. Once you have a good understanding of the product, it's time to start filming your review. Start by giving an introduction to the product and then share your experience using it. Be honest and provide specific examples to support your opinions. Consider using close-up shots to show the specific features and functions of the product, and use music or voiceover to keep the video engaging. If you have any other video ideas that you'd like to share, or if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all of my latest videos.